Have you guys had a situation where you are unable to find a command button on the toolbar? Do you get annoyed having to browse through different tabs, menus to complete a simple task? This tutorial will help make your life easy and get things done faster. Now when you open a PowerPoint, you will find Quick Access Toolbar on the top left of your screen. You can even move it below the ribbon. By default, there are these 5 options available. You can customize and add other commands that you use more frequently. There are 2 ways to customize this toolbar. First is go to File Options, click Quick Access Toolbar and look for the command that you want to add. For example, font color, add. Font size, add. If you don't find the command in the list, click the drop down and select All Commands. Browse through the list and add. Once you have added all the commands, click OK. They will appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. Second way is to look for the command on the ribbon, right-click, add to Quick Access Toolbar. Likewise, you can add other commands. You can rearrange the command buttons according to your preference. This can be done by going back to the Customize toolbar. You can go to File Options, Quick Access Toolbar, or right-click and Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Select the command and click the up or the down arrow to rearrange. Once you are done, click OK. These buttons are now ready to be used. You can either use your mouse to click or Alt button and the number designated to the command. You no more have to look for the command that are scattered across different tabs. No matter which tab is activated, all the quick access commands will be available to you at all times. Now, sometimes after an update or when your file crashes, the toolbar resets itself. To avoid the hassle of adding all the commands again, it is important to save your toolbar once you have finalized all the command buttons. To do this, go back to the Customize Quick Access Toolbar and click on Export All Customizations. Save it to your drive. You can import it when required. This is what my Quick Access Toolbar looks like. If you have any questions regarding this, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.